Have you ever looked at a massive mountain range like the Alps and thought, what if we could just go straight through it? Well, someone did more than just think about it. They actually did it. And the result is one of the most incredible engineering marvels of our time. The Gotthard Base Tunnel. Imagine this. You're standing at the base of the Swiss Alps. Towering peaks of rock and ice stretch up to the sky, some over 4,000 meters high. For centuries, this formidable barrier has dictated trade, travel, and even war. Crossing it meant treacherous winding roads or slow climbing railways. But what if you could bypass all of that? What if you could enter a tunnel on one side and emerge on the other in just 20 minutes? That's the reality of the Gotthard Base Tunnel. But this isn't just any tunnel. At 57 kilometers or 35.5 miles, it's the longest railway tunnel in the world. To put that in perspective, that's longer than the entire width of the English Channel, but its length is only half the story. The truly mind-boggling part is its depth. At its deepest point, the tunnel runs 2.3 kilometers, that's 1.4 miles, beneath the towering peaks of the Alps. That's like stacking 8 Eiffel Towers on top of each other, and you'd still be underground. It is by far the deepest tunnel ever constructed by humankind. Building this thing was a Herculean task that took 17 years. Think about the challenges. Engineers weren't just digging through dirt. They were boring through the very heart of a mountain range. They had to deal with 73 different types of rock, from soft, crumbly layers to granite so hard it would shatter conventional drilling equipment. The pressure at that depth is immense, and the temperature of the rock can reach a scorching 46 degrees Celsius. Or 115 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like working in a sauna, but a sauna made of solid rock, 2 kilometers underground. To conquer this, they used 4 gigantic tunnel boring machines, or TBMs. These weren't just drills, they were mobile factories, each one the length of 4 football fields. As these mechanical worms chewed through the mountain, they simultaneously carved the tunnel, carried away the debris, and reinforced the walls with concrete. Over the course of the project, they excavated 28 million tons of rock. That's enough rock to fill a freight train stretching from Zurich to New York City. So why go to all this trouble? Why spend billions of dollars and nearly 2 decades to dig a hole through a mountain? The answer is about revolutionizing European transport. Before the tunnel, massive freight trucks had to snake their way over the Alpine passes, causing traffic jams and pumping out pollution. The Gotthard Base Tunnel changes the game. It creates a flat, high-speed rail link straight through the Alps. Instead of climbing, trains can now zoom through at up to 250 kilometers per hour. This means goods can be moved from the ports of Italy to the industrial heartlands of Germany faster, more efficiently, and with a much smaller environmental footprint. It's estimated to take 1 million truck journeys off the Alpine roads every year. When you ride through the Gotthard Base Tunnel, you're not just in a dark tube for 20 minutes. You are experiencing a monumental achievement of human ingenuity. You're traveling through a space that was once the exclusive domain of geological time, a place of immense pressure and heat, now conquered by vision, engineering, and an incredible amount of perseverance. It's a testament to the idea that no obstacle, not even a massive mountain range, is too big to overcome. Next time you see a mountain, remember the Gotthard Base Tunnel. A silent, hidden giant that is reshaping a continent from deep within the earth.